Sometimes it feels to me that restoration is not really about objects. It is about trying to preserve something that has almost disappeared. And I'm sure that the frame holds no less memory than the painting itself. When I look at things like this, I immediately think about the people who created them, where they were, what they were thinking about at the moment, why they choose to make it in this way and not another. Old objects carry traces not only of time but also of human presence. Some people believe restoration is about bringing the past back, but perhaps that is not entirely true. The past cannot truly be returned. Restoration preserves its real traces instead, those images and testimonies of time that have reached us, not as our interpretation, but as something authentic. And perhaps that is why restoration is not only about preserving objects, but also about preserving stories. The stories of the objects, of the people behind them, of those who once owned them, and perhaps of those for whom they are still meant in the future. It is a way of preserving the connection between different times so that the past does not disappear without a trace.